Farm has made its public trading debut here at the New York Stock Exchange. The children's food company raising almost $200 million in this deal. And joining me now on the trading floor with more is John Foraker. He's a co-founder and CEO of Once Upon a Farm. John, welcome and congratulations.
Oh, thank you very much. We're very excited to be here.
Why is now the time to tap these capital markets?
Well, our business has grown for a long time. Jen Garner and I joined this little company when it was really tiny about 8.5 years ago with a mission to drive systemic change in childhood nutrition for a happier, healthier, and more equitable world. And that mission has been something we've been focused on all this time, and we've built a significant company now. We feel like our market opportunity ahead is very, very big. It's a kids and baby food in the US is a 50 billion plus category, and we're a leading brand in what we do, and we just think there's lots of places to play, and it feels like a great catapult for us as a business to take it public.
Let's talk more about the founding story behind Once Upon a Farm. You mentioned your co-founder, actress Jennifer Gardner.
Right.
How did this come about?
Well, I had been an investor in this tiny company, Once Upon a Farm, right after it started, and helping Ari and Cassandra, the two original founders. And Jen was interested in this business because she has a long history with Save the Children and really wanting to do something in the food space. And she saw that I was an investor. I was running a company called Annie's at the time, which was also a public company. And she said, hey, I need to meet this guy. And so we got together, and I was a half hour late for an hour meeting and of traffic and everything. But we bonded on mission and like, how do we drive better food choices for all children? And we had a like, I'm in if you're in kind of moment at the end, handshake. And the rest is history. We're all here. We've been growing this business together with a great team since then.
Your stock popped at the open. We're sitting down on the same day that the Dow has surpassed 50,000 for the first time ever. What does success look like to you?
Well, first of all, that's an amazing thing, 50,000 and our company going public. Success looks for us like just that we continue to build a much bigger business. We continue to build distribution. We make these products available broadly to all consumers who are interested in better, healthier food for their babies and kids. And we're going to do that by just continuing to do what we've been doing, building a great brand, building distribution, great tasting products that consumers love.
You've been talking a lot about the market opportunities. Is there any more that you can share as our viewers can now follow your publicly traded stock at the ticker symbol OFRM?
Sure. So the baby food category is an interesting thing. It has historically been shelf stable. Products are heat treated and cooked, and they're on the shelf, and they have a very long shelf life. We're putting baby coolers in baby aisles, and the baby cooler allows us to have refrigeration so that our products that we make using just fresh, organic, incredible raw materials, fruits and vegetables, and we blend them up. We pressure process them at 40 degrees, and then they come out and they've got this amazing product. Tastes like you made it in your kitchen. 30 days later, it tastes like you made it in your blender. And that stuff is available now in grocery stores all over the country, and increasingly a lot more. That's just one fun thing we're doing, but we're building it out. We're building this brand out from babies to kids to be parents' ally. A trusted brand that they can bring in with babies' first foods all the way up to the kids about age 12.
How are consumer trends informing the decisions that you make as CEO of Once Upon a Farm?
Yeah, so they're very important. We follow those trends very carefully. We stay very close to consumers and empathetic and talking to them about what are the challenges they're facing. But consumer trends around functionality, wanting product to do better for them, protein, fiber, immunity, all these things are very important, and we're embedding those into our products. And most importantly, just making sure that the products taste great, they don't have any added sugar. So all of the sugars are coming from naturally occurring sources of real fruits and vegetables. These things and simple ingredients are what consumers are telling us they want. And so we're just continuing to do that across lots of different categories.
When it comes to innovation, what can we expect in the pipeline?
I can't give you the exact things. I can tell you that we have a lot of innovation coming into our baby coolers, more assortment, great functionality and need states that we can serve. And then also we're building the brand out in kids snacking, like Lunchbox. Think of being a parent's ally in that big challenge of packing a lunch for your child in the morning, or having a really healthy afternoon snack when they come back from school. We're trying to meet those moments for our consumers.
John Foraker, he's a CEO and co-founder of Once Upon a Farm. Congratulations again on a successful debut here at the New York Stock Exchange.
Thank you so much. It's wonderful to be here.